Hi guys, welcome back to our channel App Onlys. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna guide you how to find liked posts on Instagram. Before that, make sure you have updated your Instagram app so as to enjoy the best user experience on Instagram app. So without any further delay, let's get started. For that, you need to first of all open the Instagram application. Make sure to sign in on your Instagram account. So suppose if you liked some post on Instagram and you wanna find that post that you have liked on Instagram, then how can we view that is simply tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Now tap on three line icon on the upper right corner on this page. After that, tap on your activity option. So on the interaction, you can see likes, tap on it. And once you get access on this page, you can simply find all the content that you have liked on Instagram. But now we only want to find our liked post. So for that, you need to tap on the all content types on the upper right corner of this page. So here you need to select post. After that, you can easily view all the liked posts on Instagram. So this is how you can find the liked post on Instagram. Hope so you got the information. If you find this video useful, then hit the like button, subscribe and press the notification bell so to never miss an upcoming video from our channel. Thank you guys.